My name is Liz Strohmeyer, and I am the owner and operator of Soul-Fed Farm. It's a CSA and market garden, and we also have a farm stand. We're just on Lismore Road, right outside of Duluth. We purchased the property in 2016. So we started originally with, oh, it would be nice to have a garden for us. Instead of building 1 or 2 raised beds, I built 16. A couple of years ago, I said, I really think this would be fun to do this as a business. CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture. You pay for your seasonal share up front. So you pay for it sometime in the spring, and then that farmer can use it for seeds and compost and infrastructure to create a large enough garden for all of the CSA members. And then you get, a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, whatever that CSA wants to offer for a share. So we run a 16-week CSA pickup program. There's some farmers that do 14 weeks, or some that'll do 20. And every CSA is a little different with how they run it. We grow over 40 different varieties of food. Just on a couple of acres, enough food for, probably about 60 to 75 families that do CSAs. It doesn't take a lot. As far as out in the field, you can be as elaborate or as simple as you want. So for us, we are a low-till and no-till farm. So a low-till meaning we have to till that land up. Well, don't have to, but there's a lot of different ways to do it. But we have tilled in the past one time to get the soil loosened up, and then we integrate a ton of organic matter. We form the beds by hand, and then we don't till after that. They're there, so we keep adding to them. Everything that we pick and harvest is by hand, using either, like a kitchen knife or a harvesting knife. We'll use racks kind of like these, but without the lights, to dry, like late summer we'll start drying out our garlic and our onions and things like that. We spelt soul-fed, S-O-L, for the sun, right? Because these plants are fed by the sun, we're fed by the sun, but also I'm putting my heart and soul into this because it's just something that I absolutely love.